sorry. I was writing on a different story. And this time he was thinking for ahead and my heart was breaking. And we're back. Here we are back. Back to the bottom of everything.
I can't be awake, tracing lines upon the wall, waiting for your ghost to call. But the silence is so loud, I'm picking up the pieces left of every word and every breath. And I remain myself.